Hailings everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these burgundy box braids that I did on my friend. A couple of vlogs ago you may have seen me in the process of doing this hair, and I did mention that I would come back and show you guys how I achieved it. So if you have been waiting for that video, this is the video for you. I did have to go in and blow dry her hair a little bit. It was a little bit tangled, so in order for it to be easy to manipulate, I had to go in and blow dry it, and then I went ahead and did the box braids. Now these are just regular box braids. These are not knotless or anything like that, and this is just one of the many techniques that you can use to achieve this style. These are like medium size box braids, and I forgot to show you guys the hair that she used, but if you have been following me for a long time, you know that you can use the expression braiding hair. That is my favorite braiding hair to use. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. You will be seeing the technique that I am going to use, and this video was purposely done in real time so that you guys can grasp the technique easily. This isn't necessarily a tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys how you can achieve some box braids and natural hair. So if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. And you may leave comments in the comment section down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that about the hairstyle. I'll be sure to answer them in the comment section down below. And I would love to know what you think about this hairstyle. I particularly loved it. I think it was done very neat, and this is probably some of my best work. So neat, and I had to tuck her hair into the braiding hair, so I was flexing my tuck game muscle that I didn't even know that I had. So just want to encourage you guys in this video. You can achieve box braids either on yourself or on your clients, whether you're a new braider or you're a veteran braider. It is so easy to achieve, and I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope this video gives you courage to go ahead and try box braids for yourself or on your clients, whichever one you feel as if you would want to do. Thank you guys again so much for clicking on this video and watching the video. Let me know what you think about videos like these in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if anything, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.